Yeah, hi, in today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called WeWealth, and also we're going to find out whether you can actually make money and earn up to $300 a day just by using your mobile phone. So without further ado, we're going to go and crack on, and we're going to do a WeWealth review and find out whether you really can make this sort of money. So let's jump over to the website now and run through it with you. See here, we come onto the WeWealth website, and as they state on their website, make money online with your mobile phone. Earn up to $300 a day easily. Okay, it says anyone can participate, no requirements needed. Okay, so I went and done some obviously further investigations into WeWealth, and I did sign up as well, so I'll show you inside the actual website very shortly, but let's just go through a few other things on their actual website. So as you can see here, it says this is how to begin, and it says here you will receive a $25 sign up bonus as soon as you join. And then you can make money by watching videos, playing games, testing apps and more. And then you can get paid through many different payment processors, including PayPal, Cash App. They do a Bitcoin as well, and also you can get a check in the mail even if you wanted to. And as you can see here, there are payments. There's notifications coming up in this top left-hand corner just to say that this is obviously certain people are getting paid. Which seems an awful lot of money here, $800 and that. But we'll go into that in a short while. So it says here they have over 250,000 active users. They have paid $7+ million paid to date. And they have a verified sponsors of over 1,600 people. Now here are some of the payment proofs apparently. So if you look through here, a lot of obviously stuff has been obviously deleted. And that includes the date. And if you are a regular visitor and watcher of my channel, you'll realize that a lot of these payment proofs have got to be taken with a bit of a pinch of salt, guys. But again, we will go into that very shortly. So let's go and check out the inside of WeWealth and find out how it actually works. Okay, so we've come into the WeWealth here, and as you can see, I've got my $25 bonus just for signing up. And it also says here, road to first cash out. Well, it's now saying that you've got to actually earn $200 to get your first withdrawal. Okay, which is not a problem. And it says there is no amount limit for subsequent withdrawals, but you have to hit that $200 first off. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to actually show you my profile here, guys. Now, okay, so this is my account. This is a very old email. Can't even access it now. But they allowed me to actually sign up with this. That's all you needed was your email address. I didn't even give my full name, so I just put test in there. And I just put Smart Money as my username. But as you can see, this is starting to show alarm bells, guys. First of all, obviously the $25 bonus. How are they going to actually pay me that $25 bonus? There isn't a lot of tasks to actually do. If you go to the task center, so as you can see here, it basically says under here, download apps or play games to earn. Okay, now I tried this quite a few times and all I got was literally ads popping up. So let's try again now. So we just click to earn on this random game. Okay, so as you can see, it's another obviously another ad, and that's all I got, guys. I couldn't get through to downloading any app at all. All it kept doing is literally all I'm doing is viewing ads all the time, and some of them are not really very nice ads, I must admit. So be very careful what you are clicking on in the back of WeWealth. And now obviously that's how they earn their money, by actually us clicking on their ads. Now it doesn't give you even a chance to actually go and earn any money here, guys. Now I'm sure once you've clicked on a certain amount of ads, yes, they might let you through and you might be able to download the app or whatever, but certainly I would be very, very careful about the WeWealth site. And another reason why, as you can see here, if you look up at the top here, I've come into my account, and this is the address here, datafreesip.xyz. So it's not even the WeWealth domain name. Now, if you go back across to the front page, well, I went to an incognito window and actually looked at this one here. And as you can see here, this is exactly the same site, but it's under socialsurveyek.xyz. So as you can see, this is a clone site that's just been put out on so many different domain names, and these domain names don't mean anything, guys. So they know that they can get a very cheap domain, probably for $1, and just whack it up on so many sites that obviously you're going to be tempted to actually join. And you're going to be tempted to join on the $25 sign up. It's here, earn through invites, and look, all it asks you to do is basically share your link with your friends, earn $2 for every friend who clicks on your link, and $10 if that friend signs up. So look, guys, we've seen this so many times, and there are loads of different sites like this, and I know people are probably going to post in the comments, well, you didn't try it out. I did try it out. I tried to actually get on and do a task. It wouldn't let me. It was just taking me to ads, ad after ad after ad. That's how they make their money. All I would say is just stay well clear of WeWealth. It is not what it says, and obviously you could be in danger, obviously, of clicking on something that could actually download to your computer or anything like that. So I would stay well clear of WeWealth. It is certainly not a site that is obviously viable, and as you can see here, they're not true to their world. It's on so many different links as well, guys. So and yeah, for them people saying that they've had $500 out, etc. These are all fictitious amounts. I don't think anybody has had any money out at all. So obviously I won't be putting my referral link underneath the video. There are plenty of ways that you can actually go and earn proper money on these sites, and just check out some of the videos I've done previously which actually do pay you out. There's one recently, rewarding ways that I got on there, I took a survey, and I actually paid out within the first 24 hours of getting on the site, guys. I haven't got to reach and my payment threshold was just $1, and they paid out. So check that video if you want to earn some cash online, and there are plenty of others that I've got on my YouTube channel as well. But definitely stay well clear of WeWealth. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.